In this video, we're going to explore how you can add the title to chart.js in chart.js 3. So chart.js 3 has changed the structure of how you put in the title. Basically what they did was they moved everything from options to options plugins. And if you're familiar with Legend has moved from options to options plugins. So let's scroll down here, or let's go to the app.js here. You will see here. And once we are here, you can see here we have the options. And then in the options, we have the plugins. And in the plugins, we put in the legend. And this is for one part, for the legend. Well, what if you want to do a title? Well, let me show you exactly, as this might confuse many because they are used to the ChartJS version 2 way of writing it, where you don't put it anymore, or where you normally put it just in the options itself. So we put in here, we have the plugins, and then we say here title, and then in title here we have to indicate specific things. For example, we're going to put in the text. So what is the text? And this is a string. Let's say new title for chart.js 3. All right, but if you save this, you will notice it will not display yet. As you can see, it doesn't display. So why, or what is happening here? Well, basically we need to also indicate that we want to display it. So we say here display, as the default mode is now set on display false. So we say here display true. Remember, this is a boolean, so we don't have to put any quotations here. We save this, and once we do that, you can see now this is the way how you can show a title in chart.js. So this is a very short video, but just to make sure you understand this. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my chart.js course, where you can learn everything about chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.